Hello guys, today is Sunday 8 Jan 2023 and I am discuss about the Aussie dollar pair. Let's we start. Mm, we starting from here. This is the point 55201. This is the prior low on daily time frame March 2020. So we can see here this is the entire wave 1 and this whole correction from 0.79800 to 0.61700. This is entire wave 2. So let's see how much correction was going. It is appeared around 70 percentage correction, 70 percentage, and I have labeled it as a W, X, and Y wave. So it is like a textbook pattern. Five waves. You can see wave one, two, three, four, five, and A, B, C called W. Then complex. This is X, and it is a zigzag like one, two, three, four, five. This is A, B, and one, two, three, four, five. So here our one complete cycle has been completed. So let's see inside this wave. We go inside the hourly time frame. So let's just yeah. So this point is our prior low. So I'm putting one line. Now analyze this wave. You can see by naked eyes. This is the third wave personality. This is third wave personality. This is something like third wave. This is the very steep. So main how you can identify this is the third wave. So it's a very easy to identify third wave in any time, any degree. So you can see this is very sharp and steep. So one thing is sure that this wave is third wave. So you can see this is one, two, three, four, five. It's like a leading diagonal. So I will label it as a 1. This is the A, B, and C. This one is 2. Now it might be this one is third wave, 4 and 5. No, it's I'm not convinced. Like this, let's we go through the Fibonacci ratio. This you can see here 161.8 percentage is here. So it's boost me the confidence. So this is my third wave, and you can notice here inside the third wave this is one, two, three, A, B, C, 4, and 5. In the 5 wave you can count this one, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is my complete third wave here around 0.68527. Now you can see here this is A, B, and C. This is the inverted flat 0 A, B, and C. Let's check how much this correction. You can see the correction is around, oh wow, this exactly 38.2 percentage, which is the golden correction of fourth wave. So I'm very convinced that our fourth wave is completed here. And Elliott has said out of three impulse, one must be extended. So here wave 3 is 161.8%, which is not extended wave. Above 161.8% we consider as a extended wave. This is the normal wave, normal third wave. So there is a high chance to be extended for the fifth wave. So if this is the extended, then our target is extended wave must here. So obvious it will be greater than the 61.8, so points above point 70.529. So this is the good rally if it will be there. So now analyze this. What is this? This is the kind of first wave. You can see inside the fifth wave. 1 minute. Sorry, there is some call. Okay, you can see this is a 0, 1, 2. This is the kind of 3, 4, and 5. This is the one cycle. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let me change the color. Let it put it blue. So now let's see the Fibonacci ratio. You can see here wave 1, 2, 3 is around 138 percentage, and fifth. So here also follow the Elliott tunes. This is the leading diagonal. In leading diagonal, fourth wave go up to the, it can go and cut this first wave top. So it is acceptable in a, leading diagonal. Now see correction. What is the correction? Correction is exactly 61.8 percentage. See, exactly 61.8%, which is give me the boost for this is the third wave. You can see the third wave personality very steep. So I am very bull on a Aussie dollar pair. Aussie dollar pair. Now, how to trade this one? Yes, how to trade. So for any long position, our SL will be the this area 0.67 200, 0.67 200 will be the SL. SL. So this is my SL. Now if I found any correction up to the 50 or 60 percentage, then I will buy for the target of this rally, and my SL will be the 67 200. You can trade as per your money management. My SL will be the, and my target will be the at least 0.70 to 0.71. So guys, this is my analysis. If you like my video, then you share it, subscribe it, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.